Okay pa ba talaga mag-freelancing ngayong paparating na 2026?
Hi, I'm Toph. I used to work for several multinational companies in the past. Hindi po ako virtual assistant. I teach local executives about public speaking and personal development. Kasama na dyan ang pag-grow ng Filipino content creators natin to grow their communities, become scalable and sizable to help them earn their six-figure income. Sabihin na natin fresh grad ka, nagsistart ka maghanap ng opportunities, and nakita mo ang freelancing dahil may promise siya ng six-figure income. I would say, pag nagsisimula ka pa lang, lalo na kung fresh grad ka, no experience, do not start with freelancing. Yes, freelancing will take you places, pero kung ang goal mo pa, tanongin mo muna sarili mo, net worth or network? I would say kung goal mo network, do freelancing. If ang goal mo net worth or kita, huwag mo munang gawin ng freelancing. Start getting your employment first. It comes with preparation. Ito yung mga kailangan i-prepare. Meron ka bang skill set na aware ka na nandito sa listahan na to? Number 2, prepared na ba ang experience mo working kahit walang bayad noon at may portfolio kang mapapakita on its performance? Kung editor ka, ano yung nangyari dun sa mga ginagawa mong videos? And last but not the least, gusto mo ba yung industry yung papasukin mo? Doing something for the sake of earning an income dahil hindi siya feeling work kahit gaano katagal mo siya ginagawa. Then maybe freelancing is for you.